This video is your complete guide on how to lower your energy bill. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more energy bill savings, tips, and tricks from the Energy Professor. If you're conscious about your budget, you've probably wondered about ways to reduce your energy bill. Every month, it seems to be a growing factor, leaving homeowners and business owners wondering why and where all these charges are coming from. Lucky for you, here are tips and tricks to reduce your electric bill. Number 1, update your appliances. Investing in energy efficient appliances can lead to significant savings in the long run. About once a year, do a check on all of your appliances and make sure that they are running properly. This can save you a ton of money in the long run, especially if you end up replacing an older appliance with one that is Energy Star rated. Switch to efficient lighting. Replacing old light fixtures with energy efficient bulbs is a simple yet effective step. Switching out your traditional light bulbs to LED bulbs will save you a significant amount of money. LED bulbs last 20 times longer than traditional bulbs and use only a fraction of energy. However, sometimes the upfront cost of LED bulbs can be slightly more than a traditional one. Laundry efficiency. Optimize your laundry habits to save energy, such as washing clothes with cold water and air drying clothes when possible. Washing your clothes in cold water will reduce the need for your water heater to power up and suck up all of your energy. When switching over to your dryer, you can add dryer balls to help keep hot air flowing through the load, or you can skip the dryer altogether. Machine drying your clothes can make the texture of them a bit nicer, but running a line inside your home or in your backyard can cut down on energy costs. Conserve water. Lower your water usage to reduce the energy required for heating it. Consider low flow fixtures and mindful water usage. Lower the temperature on your water heater. Your water heater is a huge cost when it comes to heating and cooling your home. Every time you turn on hot water in your home, your water heater is responsible for delivering the hot water to your sink, tub, or shower. There should be a control that you can adjust your heater and turn it down by a couple of degrees. Replace your air filters regularly. Clean air filters improve efficiency of your heating and cooling systems, thereby reducing your energy consumption. Not only is replacing your air filter good for your allergies, it is also a great way to reduce your energy bill. Just like we've mentioned previously in this video, clean appliances mean energy efficient appliances, and that works with your HVAC system too. If there's a lot of buildup or blockage, your HVAC system works in overdrive to filter the air properly. Home insulation. Proper insulation keeps your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Insulation is the extra layer of protection in your home that helps maintain inner temperature in the summer and winter months. When your house isn't insulated properly, you can allow for hot or cold air to escape, causing you to run your system more. Insulation is needed in many different aspects of your home, from the walls to the pipes to the flooring. Smart temperature regulation. Use programmable thermostats to maintain an energy-efficient indoor temperature. The largest cost of any energy bill comes from heating and cooling your home. A programmable thermostat automatically controls the temperature of your house, reducing the urge to turn it up or down. These thermostats are easy to set up and can be controlled by simple phone apps while you're away from the house. Electricity market options. Explore your local electricity market for potential cheaper energy pricing and plans. One of the last things you could do is switch energy suppliers. If you live in a deregulated energy market, you have the power to shop around for competitive energy plans. By using something like our electricity rate check tool, we can simply and quickly tell you if you are getting the best energy rates in your area. If there are better rates in your area, the Energy Professor can help you switch your plan and start reducing your electricity bill today.